Hey guys, it's Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com. Today I'm going to show you how to apply iron-on to heat transfer, or iron-on vinyl to wood. And today we're working with our 𝐥𝐤𝐤 to create some easy labels for our for some boxes that I made. Okay, so here are the bins. They were originally painted with Rust-Oleum metallic paint, and I used my 𝐥𝐤𝐤, which is a newer Cricut machine that's designed to cut smaller items, to cut out the vinyl or the iron-on. It was placed flat down on the mat. It's a white, of course, and it was mirrored on the program, the Cricut Design Space. After I weeded it, it got placed, each one got placed face down on the piece of wood and centered, and my heat press is set to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. I placed a piece of cotton over top, and you want to make sure nothing shifts because it would be very easy for your design to get moved. I held this on here for 10 seconds. You might not want to move it like I did, but and once you have done that, you can check and see if it is on properly. And if it is, you can peel it all off. Just make sure you go slow because it may need a second press. This is my second wood box that was made with silver metallic paint, and as you can see, it peeled off and looked really nice. The only thing I was having an issue with is some of the residue seemed to get left behind from the transfer sheet. So what I did is I placed my cotton back over it and pressed again for another 5-10 seconds and pulled the cotton back up. I think either the cotton it either melted the extra adhesive a little bit, or maybe the cotton absorbed it. I'm not sure, but it worked. And as you can see, it looks really nice on my boxes, and I think I'll definitely be trying this technique again for other projects. I've used permanent vinyl mostly on wood, but this looks pretty neat. So awesome. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much. Check out my blog post about this on DIYDanielle.com, and make sure to check out my laundry room and how to build these boxes as well. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.